Hi guys, okay, we're doing old school Manny nail polish. This is Emily Damali, and it's from the PolishPickUp Hide the Sun. I don't know if you can see that. I already got a peel base on over my builder gel. I'm not gonna make you watch every thing. I didn't get out any acetone. This is an indie brand. Just like the small business dip companies, there are small business nail polish companies. And they're always the best, the small businesses. And then I'm going to put some decals on. Try to keep this festive, but simple. Not bad coverage for one coat. So I'll be back. Okay, second coat time. Missed a whole swipe on this side of the nail. Oh, I just got it on my skin. I'll get that later. I haven't used this polish yet. Get it on that side. The joys of curved nails. I'll be back. Okay, now we're going to do a quick dry top coat. This is actually Dazzle Dry, not Sèche-Vite. I have a big 8-ounce bottle that I bought, so whenever a bottle was empty, I would just refill it with Dazzle Dry. I like it better than Sèche-Vite. It's more expensive, but it's, when you buy it in the 8-ounce bottle, I've had it for like 2 years now. And I'm only halfway through it. But if I bought it just by one bottle is $20. But the 8-ounce was $52, I believe. Sorry, I'm just keeping going. I want these to dry down quick so then I can get these decals on. Pay no attention to my dry, hard skin. And my daughter clearing her throat in the other room. So when this dries, we'll do the decals. Okay, I got these from Born Pretty. They are in Russian. I didn't know all these little things. Nothing says Merry Christmas. Oh, it does, but in Russian, so I don't know which one is which. But I got them for the deer. So I think I'm going to use this deer head right here. This is when shit gets fiddly as fuck for me. Come on. Oh my god. What the hell? I think I got it. I think I'm going to put him here. Is that right? It's going to be for now. is a really pretty polish. It's got like green and teal and flecks of silver and gold in it. And I'm going to take this Christmas tree. Use decals, they're easy. That's what they say. They try to get it off these damn things. This one's rather bigger, so I will just one snowflake. Just a snowflake. Take this one. Oh dear God. That's good enough. And we'll go over with another. One. Make sure it's sealed in there nice and good. It's not going anywhere. I love this top coat. It dries down in 60 seconds. Completely to the touch. So if you gotta run out the door, this is it. And it doesn't shrink and pucker like Szechuit does. So in a minute when that's dry, I will add cuticle oil. And we will try to get some, it's fucking pouring rain out, get some pictures of it. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, this is it. I think the green is gorgeous. That is a gorgeous polish. It's still my true love nail polish, and especially indie polishes. And the little decals, you can see them. It all went so well together. So yeah, old school Manny. No dipping. No, I've never used gel color on my nails anyways, that I know of. I'm pretty sure I haven't. I only use clear or builder to protect my nails, but yeah, this is how I always did my nails until recently. So tell me what you think down below. Was this video short enough for you? I want them to be shorter and not take your time for granted. And let me know where you guys are from. If you're internationally USA, because, you know, I'm going to be having another giveaway, and it's going to be for the international peeps, and I need to know who's freaking international. There's some people that I just don't know. So this is my Manny. Every month, PolishPickUp does, they have a theme, and all the indie brands, you know, make a polish for it. I don't remember what this one was. Could have been weather. I don't know. But it's a gorgeous polish. Just like all those gorgeous dips from indie makers. There's gorgeous polishes out there too. So thanks for joining me, guys. Remember, like, subscribe, do that YouTube shit. And have a good one. And let me know where you are down below and what you want to see. Bye.